take a date, take some of this Nama Royce chocolate. Oh my God, so fucking good. And there you go. That's your bite for the day. There she is enjoying the sun with her new toy that she destroyed. You like your new toy, huh, Ladybird? What do you think of your new toy? Just chilling in a rainbow, looking like a rainbow kitty? What is in a spider roll? Includes soft shell crab. I can't find that today, so I'm gonna do tuna. Spider rolls. I'm gonna go watch Spiderman today, and I made these spider roll inspired cakes. Usually spider rolls have crab, but oh man. I just got back from watching the Spider-Man movie and it was so freaking good. I don't want to spoil it, but the visuals, the music, the story, like everything about it was freaking amazing. I want to watch it again and again and again. Spider-Man was the first comic that I read. I probably still have my old ones back home in Texas somewhere, but such a cool movie. So fun. Go check it out if you can. This is a pretty interesting angle. What do you guys think of this?